Welcome to Mom TV, kids! Today we are playing Guess the Animal by There's a Lot. Let's see how many you can guess correctly before the time goes up. Here you go. Question 1. Can you tell me what animal this is? The correct answer is a goat. Question 2. What do you think we have here? If you guess a bat, then you are correct. Question 3. Which animal do we have now? The answer is deer. Is that what you have guessed? Question 4. Any guesses on this one? I hope you have said a pig on this one. Question 5. Recognize this animal, kids. Did you say hen? Oh yes, you were right. Toodles! You guys were too good. Thank you so much for playing with us. For more games like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Bye for now.